most of our centres have good legal structures. And whenever you see institutes like Jeff's, it's formed on a good sound legal structure. And other will be forming the same structure for our university soon.
So it needs to be connected to a religion to be tax-free?
No, it's educational trusts are tax-free. Universities, schools, permaculture institutes, all tax-free. It to be free of land tax and rates, it needs to be religious. That's the reason for that communion we got on Hawaii. We meet every 4 months to think about things. There's no... see, again, church is formed exactly the same way, with a trust document, a trustee company, and it just calls itself a communion or a church or whatever you call it.
Do you have to prove that you're a church?
How the hell can you prove you're a church? I mean, everyone we know has got a history of going around killing lots of other people, whopping off heads. I suppose you'd go and kill a lot of people. Say, look, I'm in church, I'm just covered in blood. They're very aggressive and bloody organisations. They're always either going on quests or burning or torturing people, you know. I suppose you could have a few baked skeletons hanging around and say, look, these are people who disagree with us.